there's Liam. He always wants to jump on it and jump and jump. So we're at our haunted house, and we also have ghost pictures. And they're so scary, and we also have a phone to call people. So I think it's time to sleep and watch TV. We have a TV here. See that? I know you like it. Because I love when we're at a haunted house. Because we always love haunted houses. And it also has a light. See that? I love light.